Welcome to Best Buying Report. The Best Single Hitter is probably one of the most essential and versatile tools for any discerning smoker, offering a discreet and efficient way to enjoy your favorite herbs on the go. Whether you're a seasoned connoisseur or new to the scene, understanding the nuances of a quality single hitter can significantly elevate your experience, ensuring a smooth, satisfying draw every time without the bulk or fuss of larger smoking devices. This compact marvel is designed for portability and ease of use, making it an indispensable accessory for those who value convenience and a premium smoking session. Number 5. Lasko Oscillating Digital Ceramic Tower Heater 755320. Experience powerful yet quiet heating with two settings, high and low. Maintain your perfect room temperature with the adjustable thermostat. Enjoy evenly distributed warmth throughout your space with optional oscillation. Effortlessly control your comfort with the included multifunction remote. Adjust settings, set the timer, or manage oscillation without leaving your seat. Plus, keep it handy with convenient built-in storage. Set it and forget it with the auto-off timer. Choose any duration from 1 to 8 hours, and it will automatically shut off, providing peace of mind and energy savings. Rest easy knowing it's equipped with overheat protection for safe, extended use. The Cool Touch exterior ensures it remains safe to touch, even after hours of operation. It's also ETL listed for your safety. Get instant warmth right out of the box, no assembly required. Its lightweight design and carry handle make it easy to move from room to room, providing comfort wherever you need it. What we like. This heater offers customizable comfort with its adjustable thermostat and quiet operation. The convenient remote control allows you to manage settings without leaving your seat. If you're looking for a reliable and user-friendly way to warm up a room, especially for extended periods, this is a great choice. What people say. They heat up quickly, warm larger rooms well, and the thermostat, timer, etc. work as advertised. It comes with a 3-year warranty which we unfortunately had to take advantage of when it suddenly quit working after 13 months and only having used it about a dozen times. However, I must say that Lasko stands by their warranty and are shipping us out a new one. Heats the room nice and quick and has worked amazing. Number 4. Wood Tobacco Pipe Smoking Accessories Kit. Discover a refined smoking experience with this beautifully crafted pipe. It's designed for both aesthetic appeal and comfortable use. This kit includes everything you need for your pipe. You'll find a cleaner and tamper tool to maintain your pipe perfectly. Crafted from high-quality wood, this pipe offers durability and a classic look. The accessories are designed to complement its fine construction. Measuring 6 inches, this pipe is perfectly sized for enjoyment anywhere. It also comes with a black bag for easy and discreet carrying. Featuring a striking red detail, this pipe adds a touch of personal style to your collection. It's a unique piece for any enthusiast. Looking for a thoughtful gift for a pipe enthusiast? This comprehensive kit is an excellent choice, offering quality and style. What we like. This product offers a classic smoking experience with all the necessary accessories included. Its compact size makes it easy to take with you anywhere. If you appreciate traditional craftsmanship and convenience, this is the perfect companion for your smoking sessions. What people say. Very smooth draw. Great accessories and case. With the glass screens and a thin shaft, it is a super smooth smoking pipe. Easy to clean, easy to smoke, easy to store. Wonderful operation and beautiful appearance make this beauty a 5 out of 5 any day of the week. Number 3. Smoke Buddy Personal Air Filter. Tired of lingering smoke odors? We have the perfect solution for you. Keep your space fresh and discreet with this innovative device. Simply exhale through the device, and it instantly traps smoke and odor particles. Enjoy peace of mind knowing your secret is safe. Its compact design makes it easy to carry anywhere. Use it at home, in your car, or on the go for discreet ventilation. Each one is designed for multiple uses, providing long-lasting odor elimination. It's an effective way to maintain privacy. This is your ultimate companion for discreet smoke sessions. Enjoy your experience without worrying about unwanted smells. Experience the freedom of smoking without leaving a trace. It's the smart choice for odor-free living. What we like. This device is designed for discreet use, effectively eliminating odors wherever you go. Its compact and portable nature makes it ideal for on-the-go situations. If you prioritize privacy and want to enjoy your activities without leaving a trace, this is the ultimate solution. What people say. It's clean. No odor comes from it. You may see a little smoke coming from it, but it's odorless as well. Does a great job filtering the smoke. House doesn't smell now. It seemed to mitigate most of the odor and issues that would bother others. Number 2. Tourna Big Hitter Silver Copoly 17G Reel. Introducing the Tourna Big Hitter Silver Copoly 17G Reel. This 660-foot reel offers controlled power and exceptional durability. Experience a new level of control with this string. Its robust construction ensures it stands up to intense play, offering great longevity. This is a fantastic all-around polyester string. It provides a great balance of performance for players seeking consistent results. Trust in the quality from the brand behind Tourna Grip. We bring you the same dedication to excellence in our strings. Upgrade your equipment with this premium string. It's designed to help you play your best, game after game. What we like. This reel offers a fantastic balance of controlled power and exceptional durability. It's a great all-around option for players seeking consistent performance. If you're a tennis player looking for a string that provides reliability and a great feel, this is definitely worth considering. What people say. You get all the benefits of pricier poly setups, increased spin, durability, ability to take big swings at the ball and still fall within a healthy margin of the baseline, but at one of the cheapest prices in the industry. Works great in hybrids with synthetic gut cross for sensitive elbows as well. My go-to poly in my hybrid mix with synthetic gut. Soft enough for my elbow but with good snapback. Number 1. RockyMounts SwitchHitter Bike Rack. Introducing the RockyMounts SwitchHitter, the most versatile bike rack you'll ever own. It's designed to fit virtually any bike and any crossbar. No matter your bike's axle type, this rack has you covered. It includes interchangeable axles for 9mm quick release, 12x100, 15x100, and 15x110 boost. Worried about your crossbars? Don't be. Its universal mounting hardware fits factory, square, round, arrow, and slotted crossbars, including T-Track hardware. Keep your bike secure with the integrated cable lock. It pulls out from the rear of the tray for easy access. Locks sold separately, we recommend a 2-pack. Make it yours with a wide range of options. It's available in 8 vibrant colors to match your style and vehicle. For precise fitment information, please refer to the secondary image. Sizing may vary based on usage. What we like. This rack is incredibly versatile, accommodating a wide range of bikes and crossbars with its interchangeable axles and universal mounting hardware. It also features an integrated cable lock for added security. If you have multiple bikes or different types of roof racks, this is the perfect solution for easy and secure transport. What people say. The single hitter is a great tool for quick sessions. It's very discreet and easy to carry around. The design is simple and effective, making it easy to clean. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.